am buying a PC off of Facebook Marketplace.
Bad idea.
Which may seem weird because, well, I own a company that builds PCs, but this is an exception that I'm willing to make because we may have found the most unique PC ever to be listed on Facebook Marketplace. And when you see it, I think you'll understand why I'm so interested in this. Let's get to our Gilbert store and go check it out. Wyatt, who we're gonna go meet at our Gilbert store, has put together a PC that is so interesting. I had no choice but to see it in person. Now, am I gonna buy it? I think so. Now, Wyatt is waiting inside. I've never met Wyatt before. He could be the scariest guy in the world. He could be dangerous. He could be a very sweet individual. We don't know what to expect, but what we're here for today is to see what Wyatt has built that I'm about to buy from him. Come on, come. Welcome to the Gilbert store. We're here. Wyatt's not a serial killer at all. Look at Wyatt. He's totally normal. Hi, Wyatt. How's it going, man? So I was on Facebook Marketplace and I was looking through the listings.
Yeah.
And I saw something that really piqued my interest because it's not a traditional PC that you would normally see on Facebook Marketplace. And so when I saw this particular listing, first thing I noticed was $100 for a PC. That seems like a deal that's too good to be true. The specs, a little underwhelming. I'm gonna be completely transparent. But it's not the specs that really caught my interest. What do you have for me, Wyatt? The people wanna see this thing.
Got a cat litter box PC.
A PC that he's built in quite literally a cat litter box. Let's see it. I wanna check this thing out. Where is it?
It's back over here.
Yes. I told you it's gonna be cool. Oh my goodness. Dude, you did it. Is this for max airflow?
It is.
So tell me about this build. What do you got in here?
It got i5 9th gen, I think 950, then Arc 380 low profile.
Okay.
And then 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of NVMe SSD.
Now I'm noticing something here that's very interesting to me. This is a Dell motherboard. What did you rip this out of? Where did it come from?
It was originally a Dell Optiplex 5080, I believe.
See, Dell, you can throw them in the trash or you can turn them into a cat litter box PC. You're not gonna find this on Newegg. You're not gonna find this anywhere. This is the magic of Facebook Marketplace. It brings people together from diverse backgrounds, from one end of the state to another, one end of the country to another.
I got Fortnite downloaded on.
You have Fortnite downloaded? Can we check it out?
Yeah.
How long did it take you to build this?
Like 3 hours maybe. I actually had to fabricate the back piece for it, if you notice right there.
Oh, wow. So you took this out of the Dell that it came from?
Yeah.
The back, okay, cool. So how did you get that out? Did you have to cut this metal or did you?
I did use an angle grinder.
No way. Dude, you were serious about this. I have to ask, what made you want to build a PC in a cat litter box, dude?
So my friend, he has an Xbox and all of us have computers and we wanted him to be able to like play games with us and stuff. He didn't have the money to afford a computer, so I built him this and he didn't want it.
What?
I know, I was surprised too.
Dude, that's like a good friend, and I've never had a friend that's built me anything. And you built him a PC in a cat litter box. Dude, ungrateful. That's why we're buying it. We're gonna show you this is worth something. And then you decided to put it on Marketplace.
Yep.
Wow.
We're gonna show this friend you get more FPS and Fortnite on this thing than you can on his Xbox.
Right?
Yeah.
Dude, you'd be silly to turn it down.
CPU fan.
That's the loudest thing I've ever heard in my entire life. But hey, it works.
It's blowing warm.
Holy cow. It sounds like a PS4.
It runs better than one though.
It's better than a PS4? Sounds like. Dude, so you played Fortnite on it. You told us how many frames. I'm not gonna spoil it for the people at home. We wanna see it in action. Now we're gonna load this in creative, so just full disclaimer. Dude, this is so cool. Have you built a bunch of computers?
I have, yeah. I built around 5.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you do for work now?
I work at a daycare.
Okay, cool. How old are you?
18.
You want a job?
I would love a job.
Really?
Yeah.
We should talk after we're done playing on this cat PC. Maybe we'll find a job for you. How many computers total have you built?
5, but I also repair them. I'm going to, you know what EVIT is?
Yeah.
Yeah, I go there to repair computers and build them and stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Kyle's listening. Kyle's.
I already asked him all of this stuff, and like, yeah, it's like the perfect thing. He's like, I'm going to school for this. I'm doing this. Did you show him the MacBook screen that you replaced?
Oh yeah, it was a MacBook M1.
Replacing laptop.
Did we accidentally find a new employee? What's going on here? Dude, this shows you. Post your weird shit on Marketplace. You never know what could happen. Okay, check this out.
All right, and then the after.
Bro, so you're full on like replacing screens and dang, at 18.
I like find like cheap stuff online and then like buy them and then just replace them so I can have them for like next to nothing.
What a legend. I got started when I was in 6th grade. My dad would drive me to like thrift stores and I'd buy computers and I'd upgrade the parts and then flip them and sell them on eBay. So frames in this, holy crap. So we're hitting these 90, over 100. This is creative, so don't be weird with benchmarking. I know you guys are weird with benchmarking on the channel. Don't be mean. Look at this, 100 frames on a $100 PC.
$1 per frame.
It's $1. You can't afford not to have a cat litter PC. This is genius. Dude, this is beautiful. I'll buy this from you.
All right.
I would like to purchase this from you and potentially give you a job as well. Sir, that is well earned. What should we do with this? Is this something people would want to own? This is like a piece of history, I feel like. Should we give this to someone? Behind us in our videos, we could put it on the set. Dude, incredible job on the builds. I'm gonna talk to you after this and we'll see if you want a job, I guess, and stop working at daycare. Maybe build PCs. Dude, thanks so much. Appreciate it. Have a good one, man. Guys, Wyatt the legend. He's turned trash into art. Great job, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for coming down. Dude, for real, this is like very, very cool that you had the ingenuity to